Hi there! In today's lesson, we're diving into some fun and useful idiomatic pairs, little expressions where words repeat or follow a rhythm, like all in all or step by step. These kinds of phrases help your English sound smoother, more natural, and often more emotional too. Most of these are easy to remember because they repeat the same word or use a simple pattern. Let's go through them bit by bit, with examples to help you see how they work in real life. All in all, used to summarize or give a final thought, means overall or when everything is considered. At the end of a trip, the weather wasn't perfect, but the trip was amazing. Yeah, all in all, it was a great experience. After a long discussion, there were some delays, but everything got done. All in all, it worked out fine. Again and again, over and over, used when something happens many times. Means repeatedly. Talking about a favorite song. You're playing that track again and again. I know, I just love it. About a mistake. He keeps making the same error over and over. Maybe someone should show him. On and on. Used when something continues without stopping, often for too long. Means without end. At a meeting. She talked on and on about the budget. I almost fell asleep. Watching a movie. This scene just goes on and on. Yeah, it could have been shorter. By and by. Used to talk about something that happens gradually or after some time. Means, eventually, more common in older or poetic style. Talking about healing. How's your leg? It still hurts, but by and by, it's getting better. In a conversation. She didn't answer right away. But by and by, she came around. Side by side. Used to show people or things are next to each other, often working or standing together. Means, together physically or in spirit. Talking about friendship. We've worked side by side for years. That's real teamwork. At a concert. Let's sit side by side, yeah? Of course! Step by step. Used when something is done in small stages. Means gradually, one stage at a time. Learning something new. This app is tricky. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step. Fixing something. How did you rebuild it? Step by step. It took time. Bit by bit, little by little. Both mean something happens slowly, piece by piece, gradually. Moving into a house. We're unpacking bit by bit. That's a good way to avoid stress. After a breakup. Are you feeling better? Little by little, yeah. Day by day. Used when things change or progress daily. Means each day, slowly, over time. After surgery. How's recovery going? Getting stronger day by day. New routine. Is the new job better? It's growing on me day by day. Neck and neck. Used when two people or teams are very close in a race or competition. Means equal or nearly equal. Talking about sports. Who's winning? It's neck and neck right now. In a game. You and James are neck and neck in points. Let's see who finishes first. Heart to heart. A serious and honest conversation, often emotional. a deep personal talk. Between friends, we had a heart to heart last night. Did it help? Yeah, a lot. Family chat. Did you talk to your son? We had a real heart to heart. Hand in hand, used when two things or people go together naturally. Means closely connected. About teamwork. Creativity and discipline go hand in hand. Totally. You need both. On a walk. They were walking hand in hand. Aw, so sweet. Win-win. A situation where everyone benefits. Means good for both sides. Making a deal. I'll drive, you bring snacks. Perfect. Win-win. At work. Flexible hours help productivity. That's a win-win for the company and the staff. All these little expressions add style and rhythm to your English. They're easy to remember and super common in everyday conversations. So, listen for them in songs, shows, or real chats, and try to use them in your own speech. Practice again and again, and little by little, they'll become natural. See you in the next lesson.